In this tutorial, I will show you how to use alter statement to add new column, rename column and delete column in SQL Server. Please subscribe. Let's start. 1. Add new column. Syntax for alter for add a new column. First write alter. Then add table and table underscore name. In the second line write add. Then write column underscore name and data type of newly added column. Let's see, we have a database learning. Table name employees has 4 column. EMP underscore ID. First underscore name. Last underscore name. Salary. Add one more column now. Go to Start menu. Open SQL Server Management Studio. Connect. Open a new query window from top. I already created database learning and table employees and insert values into table in previous videos. I will give the link in description below. To work on existing database right here, use database name learning. Select the query and execute. This query has been successfully executed. So learning database here right now. To view the table, we need to write select star statement. Select the query and execute. Now we have 4 columns. I will add one more column. Right now alter table and table name employees. Add education. Data type VARCHAR 30. Select the query and execute. From bottom you will see the successful message appeared in bottom part of window. Now select star from employees and execute. See the result on bottom part, new column education has been created here. 2. Rename column. General syntax for alter for rename column. Exec sp underscore rename. Table underscore name dot old underscore name. New underscore name, column. Let's see how to rename the education column name to different name. We will want to rename the education name into education level. First write exec. sp underscore rename. Table name employees.education. Comma employees.new name education underscore level. Comma column name. Select the query and execute. Successful. To view the table and check the newly modified column name education underscore level by. Select asterisk from employee and execute to see the all columns in the table. This will display all columns in the employee table, including the newly renamed education underscore level column. 3. Delete column. General syntax for alter for delete column. Alter table. Table underscore name. Drop column. Column underscore name. Let's see how to delete education underscore level column. Write alter and table name employees. In the second line write drop. Column name education underscore level and semicolon. Select the query and execute. Successful. Then select star from employee and execute to view the table. So right now we don't have the education level. Please like, share, and subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching.